Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the super simple process of setting up your Digital AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. Whether you're struggling with dead zones or just want to boost your Wi-Fi signal, this little device is a game changer. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Digital AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick start guide, and an Ethernet cable. Make sure you have everything before we begin. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet near your router. It's important to start the setup process close to your router to ensure a strong connection during configuration. Grab your laptop, smartphone, or tablet and open the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named something like Digital_Extender or AC1200_Setup. Connect to it. Once connected, open a web browser and type in the setup URL, which is usually something like http://dlinkextender.local or 192.168.0.1. Check the manual if you're unsure. This will take you to the setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You'll be asked to create a name for your extended network. You can keep it the same as your main network or give it a new name, like home_network_ext. Once the setup is finished, unplug the extender and place it in the area where you need stronger Wi-Fi. Ensure it's within range of your router to maintain a stable connection and deliver the best performance for seamless internet coverage throughout your space. Finally, connect your devices to the extended network and check the signal strength. You'll likely see a major boost in Wi-Fi coverage, eliminating dead zones and ensuring faster, more reliable internet access throughout your home or workspace. Enjoy seamless connectivity. If you face any issues or need assistance, our team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable solutions to your queries. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Digital AC1200 Wi-Fi Extender. No more dead zones, no more buffering, just fast, reliable Wi-Fi everywhere in your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials.